Hey folks, Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guide here, doing with a little quick update. I'll probably get more details a bit later. Basically, a lot of news reports are coming out that due to the recent rise in gas prices that's been caused by the Ukrainian-Russian war and all the other things being involved, that it's really impacting ride shares and delivery drivers here in Las Vegas. Our gas prices are a lot higher than the national average. Just the day before yesterday, our average gas prices was $4.60 and rising, and so that's been a big problem. A lot of rideshare drivers and delivery drivers are not working right now. Even some taxi drivers, I understand, are thinking about not coming in, just simply because they're responsible for their gas, and the gas is just too expensive right now, especially as it goes up closer to $5 per gallon. So if you are coming to Las Vegas, just be advised, put it into your planning that rideshare might be a little slower getting to you because there's going to be fewer drivers on the road. Deliveries, as far as like food deliveries, that sort of thing, might be a little longer or a little bit more delayed than in the past, simply because, again, things are, there's just not as many drivers out there as there was before. And we'll just see how it goes. When I get a little bit more information, I'll provide a little bit of farther update, but that's how it is. This is Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guide, with just a little update on Las Vegas news. Have a great day. Bye.